In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sizes to your products on Shopify. If you're running an online store, offering size variants can truly enhance your customers' shopping experience, and it's really straightforward to set up. Let's walk through the steps to get this done. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, look for the Products section. This is your gateway to managing your inventory and ensuring that customers can select the sizes they need. Click on Products, and you'll see a list of all the items you have available in your store. Choose the product you want to edit by clicking on it. This will take you directly into the detailed product view, where you can make all sorts of adjustments to how your product is presented. Now, you need to locate the Variants section. This is where you'll add different size options among other customizations. Click on the button labeled Plus Add Options like Bimsies or Cater. This opens up a new window where you can specify exactly which variants you'd like to include for your product. In the field labeled Option Name, type THI. This label is crucial as it's what your customers will see. Being clear and straightforward here helps ensure that your customers know exactly what choices they have. In the Option Values section that appears below, you can start entering the various size options you want to offer. For instance, you could type in small, hit enter, then medium, large, and any other sizes you wish to include. Depending on your product line, you might have more sizes, like XS or XXL, so feel free to add as many as you need. If you're thinking about more advanced options, like offering color or material variations in addition to size, there's a friendly little plus sign just waiting for you. By clicking plus, add another option, you can introduce additional categories such as color, with options like red, blue, green, or even materials like cotton or linen. Shopify allows for up to 3 options per product, so you have flexibility without overwhelming your customer. Once you've added all your desired size variants and any additional options, it's time to finalize your changes. Hit the Done button to confirm your selections. This ensures that everything is in place and ready to be saved. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This last step is essential as it solidifies all the changes you've made to the product's configuration. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, your Shopify store is now ready to offer size variants to your customers, improving their shopping journey and potentially increasing your sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!